Hello students, today we will start with the chapter 2 power play, page number 44 and 45. In that first we will discuss question number 5. In that question is simplify and write these in the exponential form. So here the first question, 10 raised to minus 2 multiplied with the 10 raised to minus 5. And here you can see exponential numbers are given. Both the numbers are exponential numbers and multiple sign. So multiplication of exponential numbers we will do using the property a raised to m multiplied with a raised to n, a raised to m plus n. That is for multiplication, add the powers. So here we can write, here we have to add the powers. So 10 raised to minus 2 plus minus 5. And when two negative numbers, when we are adding, add and put the negative sign. So this become 10 raised to 2 plus 5 is 7. Since both the numbers are negative, answer will be negative. That is, when we add two negative numbers, answer will be negative. And when we add two positive numbers, answer will be positive. Now the next one is division. That is exponential division. We have to subtract the powers. That is a raised to m divided by a raised to n. This answer become, we have to subtract power. So m minus n. That property we are using. So this answer become 5 raised to 7 minus 4. That is 5 raised to 3. Now next one is division. Here also division of exponential numbers. So subtract the powers. So this become 9 raised to, subtract the powers. So minus 7 minus 4. And here also both the numbers are negative. So add and put the negative sign. So 7 plus 4, 13. Put the negative sign. If both the numbers minus 3, minus 2, this type of numbers, we will add and put the negative sign. Now next one. Here this is of the form, that is a raised to m whole raised to n. That is a raised to m n. Power of a power. In that case we will multiply the powers. So here it become 13 raised to minus 2 multiplied with minus 3. So minus into minus plus 2 into 3, 6. So this answer is 13 raised to 6. Now next one. Here first we have to open this bracket. That is, this is of the form ab raised to n. So we can write it as a raised to n, b raised to n. So using this first part, that is this part we will write first without any change. That is m raised to 5, n raised to 12. Then next one we are applying this property. So this become m raised to 9 multiplied with the n raised to 9. So here also if there is no symbol, that means multiple sign. Now first m raised to 5 into m raised to 9, first we can multiply. So here also both the numbers are exponential numbers. So add the power. So this become m raised to 5 and 9. So m raised to 14. Then multiplied with the here n raised to 12 and here n raised to 9. Base should be same. So this become n raised to 21. Now we will discuss question number 6. in that question is, if 12 square equal to 144, we have to find these answers. In that first one, 1.2 whole square. 1.2 whole square, we can write it as 1.2 multiplied with 1.2, because a square is a into a. And this type of numbers, first we multiply ignoring the decimal. That is, first we will multiply 12 into 12, and it is given in the question, that is 144. Now you listen, here after decimal 1 digit, and here also after decimal 1 digit. So total in the answer after decimal 1 plus 1, that is 2 decimals should be there. So you will start from here, that is 1 place, 2 place. If you are putting the decimal here, after decimal here 2 digits are there, that is the answer. Now next one, that is 0.12 whole square, and this also just like the previous case, 0.12 multiplied with 0.12. First we will multiply without considering the decimal, that is 0.12. If you are not considering the decimal, 0.12 is actually 1 2 only. Left side 0 we will not consider. And the next number also, that is also 12. So here also same answer, 12 into 12, 144. Now you see here after decimal 2 digits, and here also after decimal 2 digit. So in the answer after decimal 4 digits should be there. So we will start from here, counting we will start from here. So 1 place, 2 place, 3. We want 4, so we will put a 0 here and then put the decimal. Okay, well, or I will write it clearly, 0.0144. If you want, you can put a 0 here. That is in the answer after decimal 4 digits, and counting should start from here. That is 1 place, 2 place, 3 place, 4 place. So that is why here the decimal is here, and that is the answer. This is the short form to find answer. Now the third question, 0.012 whole square. The same procedure, 0.012 multiplied with the 0.012, and first without decimal we will consider this number. This become 0012. That means left side zeros are coming, so actually it is 12 only. So here answer 144. 144. Now we will put the decimal. Here you can see after decimal 3 digits are there, and here after decimal 3 digit. So in the answer after decimal 6 digit, that is 3 plus 3, 6 digits should be there, and we will put the decimal from here, counting from here, that is 1 place, 2 place, 3. After 3 again 3 places we want, so we will put 3 zeros here. Now you see 1 place, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can put the decimal here. So this is the answer. Now next one, that is fourth question, 120 square. That means 120 multiplied with 120. And here first you multiply 12 and 12, that is 144. Now put 2 zeros, because here 1 0 is there, here also 1 0. So put 2 0. This is the answer. We will discuss the next question. Circle the numbers that are the same. So here we will start with the second question, because first both the numbers are prime numbers. So second question, first we will do the prime factorization of 6. that is 2 multiplied with 3. Then 6 raised to 4. So this whole raised to 4. Then multiplied with 3 square. So this is of the form AB whole raised to m. That is equal to a raised to m. Give the power to both the numbers. B raised to m. So this we can write 2 raised to 4 multiplied with 3 raised to 4. Then the third term is there, that is this one, 3 square. Now here we will apply the exponential law, a raised to m multiplied with a raised to n, that is a raised to m plus n. So here this answer become 2 raised to 4 multiplied with 3 raised to 4 plus 2. Here multiplication is coming, so add the power. So 3 raised to 6. So you can see first and second are same. Here also 2 raised to 4, 3 raised to 6, and here also 2 raised to 4 multiplied with the 3 raised to 6. Now other question also we will check. Here 6 we will write 2 into 3, then whole raised to 10. 6 raised to 10 is 2 into 3 whole raised to 10. Now we can give the power to both the numbers, that is 2 raised to 10 multiplied with the 3 raised to 10. Now next one, that is 18, we can do the prime factorization. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. That whole raised to 2 multiplied with the 2 into 3 whole raised to 2. 6 I have written 2 into 3. Now give the power to each numbers. So this become 2 raised to 2 multiplied with the 3 raised to 2 multiplied with the 3 raised to 2. Here first one is finished. Now here this one, that is multiplied with the 2 raised to 2 multiplied with the 3 raised to 2. So first we will multiply 2 raised to 2 and 2 raised to 2. So this become 2 raised to 4. Then here 3 raised to 2, 3 raised to 2, 3 raised to 2. Base is same and multiplication is coming, so add the power. So 3 raised to 6. 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 3 raised to 6. And here also you can see this answer also same. First, second and fourth one is same. Now we can do the next one. 6 raised to 24. That we can write 2 into 3. 6 is 2 into 3 whole raised to 24. Or this is equal to 2 raised to 24 multiplied with the 3 raised to 24. So this is not equal to any of the term, any of the answers. So first, second, 4 are equal or same. Now we will discuss question number 8. Identify the greater number in each of the following. The first one, 4 raised to 3 and 3 raised to 4. So first we will take 4 raised to 3, that is 4 raised to 3 means 4 multiplied by itself 3 times. So this answer 64. And 3 raised to 4 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Because power is 4, it is repeating 4 times. So 9 into 9, that is 81. So here this number is greater, that means 3 raised to 4 greater than 4 raised to 3. Now the second question, 2 raised to 8. First we will take 2 raised to 8, that is 2 is repeating 8 times. This exponential number means continuous multiplication. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this 4 then again 4, again 4, again 4. So this become 4 4s are 16. Here also 4 4s are 16. 16 into 16, 256. That means 2 raised to 8 is 256. Now 8 raised to 2. That is, that you know, 8 into 8, that is 64. So 256 is greater. That means 2 raised to 8 greater than 8 raised to 2. Now third question, 100 square. First we will find 100 square. That is 100 multiplied with 100. That means here 2 0, here 2 0. So 1 with 4 0. That means 10,000. 100 square is 10,000. Now 2 raised to 100. 2 raised to 100, or this we can write 2 raised to 10 whole raised to 10. So first we will find 2 raised to 10. That is 2 we have to write 10 times. Become 2 raised to 8 already we find the answer. Up to here we find the answer, that is 256. Now into 2 into 2, that is 256 multiply. Here we got the answer, that is 256. 2 raised to 8. So 2 raised to 8 into 2 into 2. 256 into 4. That means 1024. Now 2 raised to 10 whole raised to 10. That means 1024 whole raised to 10. That means 1024 we have to multiply 10 times. 10 times. And here the first answer is 10,000 only. And when you multiply these first numbers, that is 1024 into 1024, if you multiply 1000 into 1000 also, the answer will be more than 10,000. So this number, that is 2 raised to 100, 2 raised to 10 whole raised to 10 means 2 raised to 100 is greater than 100 square.